Join me today as we carve our home into the tip of this crayon. Hello everyone, Kitslam here and welcome back to another video here on the channel. Today we're celebrating Earth Day because today is April 22nd, a day on the calendar that we reserve to become a little bit more mindful about how we treat this absolutely beautiful planet that we live on. And I can't agree with those notions anymore. I absolutely agree with that. And to commemorate those ideas and Earth Day, I wanted to carve a planet Earth, our beautiful home, onto the tip of a crayon. And so we're gonna scan through here and grab our blue crayon here.
And then I'm gonna move these aside, grab my handy dandy X-Acto knife, and we're gonna get to work.
I've left some cards up above, so I'll meet you there and let's begin. Our planet has officially begun to take shape. You can see the sphere there and all of those beautiful oceans that sustain all of those wonderful animals. But of course, we need the 7 continents. And to do so, we will use a combination of these two green Liquitex paints. And we have emerald green here on the right, and we have vivid lime green here on the left. I think together we can create a beautiful contrast between our dark oceans that you can see here and the continents themselves. And with that, our continents have come to life, and they are the host of millions of life forms, of course, on our beautiful, beautiful planet. And so hopefully today we remind ourselves to be a little bit more conscientious about our beautiful planet. Here we go. Let's take a closer look, guys. I'm wondering, where are you coming from today? So I'm up here in Canada, and south of us we have America, of course, Mexico, we have South America there. Those are my closest neighbors. Of course, we have the Arctic in the north, those precious icebergs that we don't want to melt. We've got Africa here, the Middle East, Europe, the subcontinent of India, we have Asia, Australia down here, and the land down under, and I tried to squeeze in a little bit of Antarctica there at the very, very bottom, but it was quite tricky because it is on the edge of my crayon, which is the stand for this beautiful, beautiful planet. My name is Kitslam, and I post a variety of fun and creative art content here on YouTube. Subscribe for weekly videos, and I'll meet you guys down in the comment section.